Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about what causes dandruff. This is part 2 of our dandruff series. Dandruff is a common chronic scalp condition marked by flaking of the skin on your scalp. Dandruff isn't contagious or serious, but it can be embarrassing and sometimes difficult to treat. Dandruff can have several causes, including irritated oily skin or seborrheic dermatitis. This condition, one of the most frequent causes of dandruff, is marked by red, greasy skin covered with flaky white or yellow scales. Seborrheic dermatitis may affect your scalp and other areas rich in oil, such as your eyebrows, the sides of your nose, and the backs of your ears, your breastbone, your groin area, and sometimes your armpits. Not shampooing often enough. If you don't regularly wash your hair, oils and skin cells from your scalp can build up, causing dandruff. A yeast-like fungus. Malassezia lives on the scalps of most adults, but for some it irritates the scalp and can cause more skin cells to grow. And finally, dry skin. Flakes from dry skin are generally smaller and less oily than those from other causes of dandruff, and redness or inflammation is unlikely. You'll probably have dry skin on other parts of the body, such as your legs and arms too. Leave a comment below. Have you ever had dandruff? What do you think caused it, and how did you resolve the issue? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch part 3 and more. Adios. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, check out this 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle beauty peel mask. It's the latest and greatest in skincare that's worked its way over from Asia. They're somewhat similar to the activated carbon blackhead peel masks, which focus more on deep pore cleaning and tug on the skin a little bit harder upon peeling. The gold mask focuses more on skin smoothing, and the gold itself helps to replenish collagen and accelerate collagen renewal. So for smoother, healthier skin, try this 24 karat gold peel. Check out the link below.
I feel really smooth and fresh, refreshing.